Hey guys, how to check search history on Facebook. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Facebook, okay? And then basically tap on the search bar at the top right, okay? And you should see recent searches, and then click on it. You can view your recent searches here. If you want to clear your search history, click on edit next to the recent searches, right? And just click on the three dots, and then you can remove this item or you remove this content from your search history. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.